As you probably know, it's incredibly easy to do copy trading. You don't even need to know anything about technical analysis, risk management yourself. You just simply need to leave it to the vetted professional trader, right? Well, not exactly. In fact, unless you set up your copy trading account correctly in order to correctly manage risk, you could have very, very different results from that master trader. And I'm telling you, as someone that is a master trader on a platform I'm going to talk about, and as someone that's copied other traders as well. So in this video, I'm going to highlight the settings, how to configure correctly when you're following a master trader, so you can get the same or at least extremely close results to that master trader. Guys, please leave a like down below. Make sure you're subscribed for all my future videos. And let's get into it. Right, guys, you can see I'm on the Bybit homepage, but not to worry. If you use a different crypto trading platform that has a copy trading feature, it's going to still be totally relevant. Perhaps you may use bitget, who I also recommend. They're a great crypto trading exchange as well, particularly for copy trading. But for the purpose of this video, we're going to be using Bybit. I think their copy trading platform is probably the best now. It's come leaps and bounds, and it's my recommended, trusted crypto trading partner. I do have links down below for Bybit and for bitget, which you can use to get a huge bonus. They are affiliate links, so not only will you get a bonus, I'll get a bonus. They're not paying me for making this video. So if you want to say thanks and you need one of these accounts anyway, yeah, use the link. That will be much appreciated. Right, guys, so to mention, there are chapters in the video description down below. Feel free to rewatch something, skip ahead for the relevant bit of what you're looking for. What I want to kick things off with, just for anyone that is very new to copy trading, what you have here is the copy trading feature. So you go to derivatives, you go on to copy trading, and Bybit very nicely puts out a list of all the copy traders. You can filter them, for example, by many different things, their results over 7 days, their ranking. They have kind of a ranking system between cadet, bronze, silver, and gold. The master trader type, you can filter it by ROI, highest profit, for example, what country they're in, their badge, different things. And of course, you can just press copy when you want to follow someone. But of course, you're going to want to know the correct settings. So we're going to go into that now. So as I mentioned in the intro to this video, I am actually a master trader as well, and I'm a master trader on Bybit. Now, the reason I wanted to make this video, in fact, for the best settings is look at this. You can see my profit over the last 7 days and 30 days is pretty good. I mean, over the last 30 days, 46%. And you can see my profit's been $745. However, my followers' profit, unfortunately, has been negative $1,143. Now, the reason for that is because these people that have been copying my trades have not been using the settings correctly in order to get the same or at least very close results. And this is what we're going to be talking about. And of course, guys, by the way, if you do want to copy my trading after you've watched the video to get the correct settings, you can. I go under MarzTrade. In fact, this link in the video description down below will link you to my profile so you can copy me there. So first things first, of course, you want a trader that you wish to follow, that you wish to copy. I found a very nice one here, MarzTrade. So for the purpose of the video, I'll demonstrate on my own MasterTrade account, but I'm viewing my MasterTrader account as a regular user. I'm using a different Bybit account. So you can click copy straight away to go into the settings, or you can first of all click on the user's profile and see a little bit more about their trading and why you may or may not want to follow them. And like I explained in the previous chapter, you can see that followers here are at a loss and I am at a profit, and this is because those users, they have not used the correct settings. So let's talk about how you can correct this in the settings in order to get the same or at least very, very similar results. So I do not recommend to use smart copy mode. You don't have enough control in order to get the same results. And this is why I'm making this video. So you want to start by going to the advanced copy mode. So now in the advanced copy mode, the first thing it's going to ask you to do is the funds to copy. So this is the total amount you will invest in copying this master trader. You may enter the amount according to your Bybit account balance. It's saying you can do it according to your account balance because you're actually able to do some further risk management and control later. So anyway, let's just put $2,000 here. You can see I've got 2,423. We'll put 2,000 for now, and you'll see how that makes sense in a moment. The copy stop loss feature is actually the accumulated amount that you could potentially lose with that particular master trader. So like I was saying before, don't worry, you don't have your risk management limited just by this option. For example, for this one trader, I could say I'm only happy to risk a maximum of, I don't know, $250 or $200, let's say 10% of this total amount. And then if you exceed this 200 USDT option, it gives you the option to either exit immediately at the current market price. So if you have existing orders, copy orders from that master trader, you'll exit those positions immediately, so no more loss incurred. Or you can continue copying the trader until positions are closed. I recommend the second option because that master trader is likely to have a trading plan and they might be dollar costing averaging in, and it's better that you basically select that option to get the best results. Now there's also the option to do it in percentage terms, so this is going to be a percentage of the funds to copy. You could do that if you prefer as well. So these are the settings that I'm going to use. I'm going to go next. And this brings us on to the fixed margin mode. And this essentially is the amount that you set of capital to back each trade. And that doesn't include the leverage. We're going to get to that in a moment. I would suggest not using more than 5%, and it doesn't give you the option to do that, but no more than 5% of the amount you're allocating, like we saw in the previous setting, to that trader. So we chose $2,000. I wouldn't use more than $100, which is 5% per fixed margin, let's say. That would give you 20 trades, 4 days. Even that, in my opinion, it's quite high. It could be lower. If you used $50, which is just 2.5%, that's giving you 40 trades, 8 days. But you can do it, of course, much higher. But start off slow, see how you get on with that particular trader, even if it is myself. And you can go on from there. You can always add more and change the settings as you go along. That brings us to the leverage settings. So you have some options. Follow trader's leverage. You have fixed leverage or custom leverage. I strongly suggest if you want to get the most accurate results, do select the trader's leverage. If you don't select the trader's leverage, and you, for example, choose a fixed leverage that could be up to 12.5x, your liquidation price is going to be different to that of the master trader, which in turn can mean you get wiped out, where the trader could still have a position open, be dollar costing averaging into it, for example, and they could actually finish the trade in profit where you got liquidated. Where it goes to custom leverage, you can obviously, it's a basically fixed leverage, but you can set it for each coin. I would not use that feature. I would either use this is the preferred way you should do it, follow the trader's leverage. If you're happy with that particular trader, you can do your own fixed leverage, but definitely don't do more than 5x leverage. If you do 5x leverage, you're 99.9% sure going to be fine. But the best way to make sure is use the follower trader's leverage. And if you're following me, I heavily suggest to use that option. Then you can press confirm. You need to select, I've read the agreed terms, so I'll allow you to read that in your own time if you choose to, but it is recommended, of course, that you do. And then you can press copy now. And then you are copying that trader with the knowledge that your settings are going to be aligned to that master trader, so you get the best results. So I really hope you did find value from this video. If you did, make sure you give the video a like, subscribe for future videos, and remember guys, links are down in the video description below for bonuses. You'll get a bonus, I'll gain a bonus, as it is an affiliate link. I usually talk about technical analysis. I make videos daily about Ethereum, Bitcoin, and altcoins. Do check out any of my other videos and links in the video description down below. Thanks for joining me guys, and I'll see you again on another video soon. Take care. Bye-bye.